In this video, we're going to give an update on OpenDAO. You're going to be learning three things in this video. Number one, the current price of the token. We're going to be looking at the roadmap of the project. And number three, letting you know how you can tell if this is going to be a scam or something you want to invest in. Before we get started, remember this is for education purposes only. It is not investment advice. Do your own research. Let's get right into it. If we look at CoinGecko and we look at the 14-day forecast of what has happened with the price and really the 30-day breakdown of what has happened, it's gone down daily almost, right? We had it rebound just a little bit around December 29th, went up around the 31st, and then since then it's pretty much been going downhill for the last month. Now, because the current price is the way it is, does this necessarily make it a scam or something that you should just abandon? Well, I would do your research and look at OpenDAO and look at what they're trying to do on their development roadmap. We've talked about this in a couple different videos, but the way that they're trying to work with exchanges and work with other projects, clearly the team still believes in it and they're trying to incentivized to use this coin and for it to go up in value. So they're not just creating this for it be a quick flash in the pan and then leave. They're trying different things. Does that mean it's something that you should invest in, getting tokens or doing those things? Do your own research to look at it. Make sure that you compare the prices, look at what's going on with your own portfolio, and if it's something that you're looking into. But I would highly advise to look at the roadmap, talk to the different creators on Twitter, and then see if it's something that you're interested in. The other thing that I am interested in is the staking incentives. Now, the whole purpose of staking anything is allowing a portion of your tokens to be held, and then you're going to be incentivized for you to stake or holding your amount of coins that you have provided the DAO to use. In this instance, if I'm looking at if I'm going to stake it or if I'm going to keep buying coins, personally, I was given coins when the airdrop announced. I had already done business on OpenSea, so anyone that had a wallet that had done a volume on OpenSea, depending on how much volume you did, you got a certain amount of tokens. I'm not going to be personally buying in and buying more tokens, but I view it as free tokens. Could I stake them? Yeah, why not? Now, it's also showing me the staking and the APR. We're looking at 128.66%. That's something to look at. But again, this is still highly speculative, and there's a lot going on with this project. Also, too, I would look at now I've been seeing a lot in the comments. Some people are saying, well, is this a scam? This is scam. Don't invest. First of all, I would say define what a scam is. I would look at a scam where they're trying to make a quick pump and dump. They're doing a project just to grab all the money and then leave. If I'm purely looking at the requirements of a scam of are they trying to leave this project, they would not be doing all of these releases for it to not necessarily for it to be a scam only of just like we're taking as much money as possible. Now, could it be misguided? Do these incentives work? Does staking work? Is it working? Well, I think also it's important to look at what's going on in the market and have a long-term view of what you're going to be doing with crypto and these tokens. I find a lot of people are going to be looking for that next Doge or something where they can make a lot of money quickly and then leave. I would be wary of that because, again, anything in crypto and all these things, do your research. They come with risk, but look at the project, look at the people behind it, and look at also your portfolio and what makes sense for you. Have you examined what's the percentage? What tokens do you believe in? What currency do you believe in? Why do you like the project? Who's behind the project? Those are things to consider before you decide to invest or if you're looking at this project. What I would also do in the comment section down below, let me know if you already did business on OpenSea and you were getting tokens, or have you not done anything on OpenSea and you're looking to just buy tokens from the SOS token and all of those things. If people like these videos and these updates, make sure that you let me know in the comment section down below, or any questions you have on staking, what you would do with this project. And if you like these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. I do this every single week. I'll see you in the next video.